Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to create a PayPal developer account. First, navigate to the official PayPal developer website. Once there, locate and click the prominent Log into Dashboard button. You will then be prompted to use your existing personal or business PayPal account credentials to sign in. This initial step seamlessly integrates your existing PayPal profile with your new developer environment, making the setup process straightforward and efficient for all users. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the developer dashboard. Here, your primary focus should be the My Apps and Credentials section. It's vital to understand the two distinct environments available, Sandbox and Live. The Sandbox environment is exclusively for testing your applications without affecting real transactions, while the Live environment is for production, handling actual payments. This clear separation ensures secure and effective development. To start a new project, simply click on the Create App button within the My Apps and Credentials section. You'll then be asked to provide a unique and descriptive name for your new application. Following this, you must select an appropriate Sandbox business account. This account will be used for all your testing purposes, allowing you to simulate transactions and interactions without any real financial impact, ensuring a smooth development cycle. Upon creating your application, PayPal automatically generates your essential API credentials, a client ID and a client secret. The client ID identifies your application, while the client secret is a highly sensitive key crucial for authenticating your API calls securely. It is imperative to copy these credentials immediately and store them safely. You will integrate these two unique identifiers directly into your application's code to enable seamless communication with the PayPal platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.